And we have some news from Facebook's Rob Leathern again.
Who is it?
Rob Leathern. Have you ever heard of him?
Leathern.
I feel so bad for him. Like, he's just always the bearer of bad news. Like, he must just send a tweet and just be sitting there waiting for the responses to roll in.
I don't feel bad for him. He deletes tweets when he was calling out TikTok before, and he was deleting tweets.
Oh, I didn't know.
I didn't know that.
I have the receipts. I have the receipts.
Okay, well, on November
Still has
5th,
a hard job.
Yeah, he does. Rob tweeted, there was a technical issue that caused some Facebook ads and ad accounts to be mistakenly disabled. We identified and resolved the issue within a couple hours, and access should now be restored. And he says some. It feels like it was basically everyone. Like, so many accounts are disabled. We have this one poor client. We do like organic and a little bit of paid stuff for them, and they're like really weary with any ad spend. And I got them to do a boosted post that day, and all of a sudden their ad account was disabled. And I had to be like, I'm so sorry. This is nothing we did. Like, Facebook just willy-nilly with these disapprovals. It's insane.
And across the board on Twitter, everyone is like, no.
No.
And I know we talked about this before, but the first thing I always think of is the Social Dilemma movie, where they're like, everything's so complex and you've got these people in this algorithm trying to target people. And then it's like, you know, when you've got those recipes that go poorly. Like
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Yeah.
Yeah. It's like what you think, like there's people talking about the algorithm, and then IRL, it's just everybody shut down for no reason.
So yeah, so people think Rob is like the guy behind the puppet strings in the Social Dilemma, and really he's just like, he has both hands tied behind his back. It's terrible. But I got to give him credit, because a lot of people were responding there like, we were disapproved and we're still disapproved. And he was responding to a lot of people and saying, DM me. So I don't know if he followed up, but that was a good look. I liked that, Greg.
I asked him a question and he followed up before. So again, I think he's got one of the toughest jobs out there. But
yeah,
he really does. Could you imagine if this happened Thanksgiving week when they're all on vacation?
Well, it probably will. And there will be no one there to turn the ads back on. That's the other piece of this. They're all going to be not at work.
Yep.
And why couldn't this have happened 2 days before and all the political ads got disabled? Just saying. That would have been
that'd
a lot
be nice.
nicer.
I wonder why, probably because they lose a lot of money.
Well, yeah. Thanks, Rob. Thanks for getting everything back in order. Well, hopefully everyone's back up by now. Fingers crossed.
Did the portal service go down, or was it just ads?
Get out of here. You just wanted to say that word. You don't
I know.
Are using that?
Oh, everybody.
They're still advertising it on
Larry,
TV.
our listener, does. Yeah. Power listener, Larry.
Like what you saw? Of course you did. If you're looking for more, Marketing O'Clock releases new episodes every Friday with the digital marketing news of the week. You can subscribe wherever you consume your podcasts, or click to watch the full episode, the next news story, or read all the articles from the show.